for this ride?
Yeah.
Alright.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
So, in the Catlins now, checking out a variety of different waterfalls and walks, as well as surf spots. Fun fact, yesterday in Cannibal Bay, we were surfing and two dolphins were surfing with us. It's so cool. It's the craziest thing. There we are, just like on our boards, and these two dolphins just kept coming in close, swimming under our boards. It was a bit freaky at first because there I am off my board and this massive thing in the water just comes towards me, and I was like, oh shit. I realized it was a dolphin, a Hector dolphin. Apparently that's what they were. Anyways, having a great time. Don't know if I'm going to take much footage while I'm in this area. Probably more so when I'm in Dunedin and doing a bit of a solo thing, but we'll see. See what kind of snippets I put into the video after this little segment right here. Now off to see another falls as usual. This one is a swimming hole. Maybe I'll go swimming. Haven't decided yet. After viewing yet another waterfall, which New Zealand is full of, we headed to another picturesque beach. Although the weather was not the nicest, there were still some sunbathers out. Those are even more. 2 of them. God, they're huge. Walked from Surat Bay to Cannibal Bay, and there's even more sea lions here. This one's a bit more hidden, and holy crap, that's a big one. Woo! So that was massive. He's a very big boy.
Nugget Point, a landform located on the north end of the Catlin coast. This steep headland is home to an iconic lighthouse. Which backdrop is rocky inlets.
There you have it, folks. Nugget Point. Another beautiful lighthouse. And another epic spot in New Zealand. Check it out.
And the final stop before arriving in Dunedin, Tunnel Beach. Which claim to fame is the tunnel leading down to the beach. And the sandstone cliff face carved by the ocean. is just a clear reminder of how powerful and relentless the ocean can be.
One thing about traveling with a vehicle that's pretty friggin' old is that things happen.
And that's a story for another time. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more videos.